Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. There were very fast-paced developments on the farmers' laws front today. The centre categorically said it will not repeal the laws. The opposition formed a Sharad Pawar, Rahul Gandhi-led contingent and rushed to the president demanding just that. However, the most crucial development today was the fact that the union government agreed to reform the farmers' laws. So every critical issue was listed and a solution was proposed for it. Shutting down the fear-mongering on MSP, the government has proposed giving a written assurance on retaining MSP. Shutting down the Adani-Ambani farm laws diatribe of the 51-year-old adolescent Rahul Gandhi, the government has assured amendments so that no industrialist can hijack our farmers' lands. Busting the claims that farmers will not be able to take on private corporations, the dispute resolution mechanism has been eased. The government has kept the door open and said it is still willing to hold discussions with the farmers. So everything that the opposition and its B team fear-mongered about has been clarified. In fact, the results of the Zilla Parishad polls in Rajasthan, conducted in the middle of the farmers' protest, have gone the BJP's way. Now the opposition has no ground to stand on anymore and provoke. Yet some farmers' unions have said they will continue the protest. So who is causing confusion among the farmers? Who is trying to keep an attempt to block India alive? And our vested interests viciously deterring our farmers from a law that benefits them just so they can stretch this politically. Ladies and gentlemen, it's gone on too far. Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.